Hi everyone, my name is Rupali. Welcome to my channel Sachi Savri. Today's video is going to be a haul video. I have stuff from Nykaa, Amazon, Purple and many more stores which includes makeup, hair care, skin care and basically things related to self-care. So without wasting any time, let's get started. By the way, if you can hear background voices in this video, I'm really sorry for that because मेरे घर के आसपास construction चल रहा है and I can't do anything for that, so please bear with me. Let's start the video with a big product. I have in my hand Nivea body moisturizer. It is in the flavor cocoa. It's for very dry skin people and it is a 400 ml bottle for 450 rupees, but I got it for 319 rupees. So I have this thing. I like to buy products जिनकी ना quantity ज़्यादा हो because I don't like every next month मेरे products ख़त्म हो जाए and again I have to go through Nykaa, Amazon or whatever shopping site and spend hours on it to just find that perfect product for me. So I like to buy a bigger product जो कि मेरे लिए एक लंबे टाइम के लिए काम करे. Sometimes that even backfire on me because मैं एक ही बार में बहुत बड़ी बॉटल ले आती हूँ किसी भी प्रोडक्ट की और अगर वो मुझे सूट नहीं करता तो वो पूरा प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट हो जाता है. So about this moisturizer, I really like this moisturizer. When I apply this moisturizer, my skin feels really soft and it smells really good. इसकी moisturization ना 5 to 6 hours तक तो रहती है. Even though this moisturizer has oil in it, I never feel greasy or oily on my skin and I think it's quite lightweight. By far, this is the best moisturizer for my skin. The next product is this liquid lipstick. It is Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. It is 5.6 ml in 299 rupees. I have in the shade 14 Mauve Party. This is the color which I am wearing on my lips right now. It has purple undertone and it is a beautiful color for dusky skin girls. This is how the lip shade looks. This lipstick is not very pigmented, so if you have pigmented lips, you need to apply at least 2 layers of this lipstick. When I apply 1 layer of this lipstick, it works as a nude lipstick for me, and when I apply 2 layers of this lipstick, this is how it looks. I think all skin tone people will enjoy this lipstick. This lipstick doesn't transfer and its formulation is also quite lightweight, so इस lipstick से तो मेरे lips कभी dry नहीं होते हैं. By the way, I will provide the link of all the products in the description box, so if you are looking for any of these, check them out there. The next product is this Peptronic serum. It has 6 types of peptides and 5 types of hyaluronic acid. It is for 750 rupees, but मुझे ना ये सेल में पर्पल की सेल चल रही थी उस टाइम ये 675 रुपीज़ का मिल गया था. For 675 rupees, it is 220 ml, which is a lot of products and I'm quite sure it will last me for more than 6 months even if I will use it twice in a day. It has light fragrance and its texture is very water-like. And I kind of really enjoy this sort of texture. It's very hydrating and makes my skin very dewy and plumpy. This is how it looks. The serum doesn't have any color. इसका सिर्फ bottle pink है, so it is possible कि ये बाहर से pink लगे. For the best results, you should apply it on your wet skin and always top it up with a moisturizer, otherwise your skin can get even more drier. The next product are hair care product. The first one is Herbal Essence shampoo and the second one is Herbal Essence conditioner, both in the variant coconut milk. I have heard really good things about Herbal Essence products, so मैं बहुत टाइम से इन्हें लेना चाहती थी, but ये ना दोनों एक साथ 1250 rupees के पड़ेंगे normally, but in sale I got both of these for 879 rupees. The shampoo was for 422 rupees and the conditioner was for 459 rupees, which I think is a great deal, and so मैंने इन्हें ले लिया. I haven't used them even once yet, so I will give the review later. So now let's move to the next product. The next product is this Calabar lipstick. It is Matte Me As I Am. By the way, ये मैंने purchase नहीं किया था. मुझे ये पर्पल में बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने की वजह से फ्री मिला था. It's in the color Sule 009 and it's a creamy lipstick. It has orange sort of undertone and पिंक एंड ऑरेंज का ना मिक्सचर है, वैसा टाइप का कोई कलर है. पैकेजिंग ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज रियली नाइस एंड इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ शॉर्पनर, सो दैट्स रियली गुड. यू डोंट हैव टू गो एंड गेट अनदर शॉर्पनर फॉर योर लिपस्टिक. द फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ द लिपस्टिक इज रियली गुड, बट आई पर्सनली डिडंट enjoy this color on me. This color washes me off and the girls who are dusky like me or darker than me, I don't think they are also going to enjoy it because it might wash their skin as well. L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. I have heard a lot about this product on YouTube, on इंस्टाग्राम, एंड मुझे ना काफ़ी टाइम से बार बार हर जगह प्रोडक्ट दिख रहा था, तो फाइनली मैंने भी इसे ले ही लिया. बाय द वे आई गॉट द स्मॉलर पैकेजिंग बिकॉज ना मैं सीरम्स जल्दी ख़त्म नहीं कर पाती हूँ. सो मैंने सोचा कि पहले मैं छोटा वाला ही ट्राई करती हूँ, एंड अगर मुझे अच्छा लगा आई गो फॉर द बिगर वन. आई गॉट दिस फॉर 254 रुपीज़. एज पर द पैकेजिंग दिस इज़ अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल प्रोडक्ट, बट मैंने इसे 1 या 2 बार ही यूज़ किया है, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव एनी रिव्यू ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. But I don't really enjoy its packaging because the thing is I use it as a serum and I apply a serum on my wet hair. So at that time my hands are also wet now. The smaller bottle doesn't come in pump or squeezing packaging. So मुझे डर लगता है क्योंकि मेरा हाथ उस टाइम पे वेट होता है, एंड अगर ऐसे करते करते अगर मेरे हाथ से गलती से बॉटल छूट गई सो ये पूरा प्रोडक्ट टूट के ख़त्म हो सकता है. सो आई हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल अप्लाइंग इट. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज ऑल्सो फ्री प्रोडक्ट विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम पर्पल. इट इज़ NY Bay ब्राइटनिंग प्राइमर. ये आई थिंक 1 या 2 यूज़ हो सकता है. मैंने अब तक इसे यूज़ तो नहीं किया है. व्हेन आई विल यूज़ इट आई विल लेट यू नो व्हाट आई फील ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस Stay Quirky प्राइमर ऑयल. आई रियली लाइक इट्स पैकेजिंग. इट्स वेरी quirky. This is how it looks. It is 10 ml for 169 rupees. It comes in a dropper packaging, and I think it looks really cute and very chic. This product doesn't come with any sort of ingredient list. On the Purple app, it claims that it gives you supple skin, which it does. Whenever I use it, my skin feels really good and my makeup sits on my skin really nicely, and my makeup also looks quite dewy. And it says that it restores radiance, which I don't know if it does or not. It is definitely very affordable. I like it for my dry skin and I enjoy it thoroughly during the months of winter when my skin was extra dry. But I think non-dry people will not enjoy it that much because ना ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा oily हो सकता है उनके लिए. The next product is this Propyl Glycol Cream Emollient. इसके बारे में ना मैंने YouTube पे बहुत ज़्यादा सुना है. I have heard that this is a very good moisturizer for almost all skin type peoples, and that's what it also claims. I got it for 270 rupees from Amazon. इसकी packaging उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, but I can work with it. I have used it for few weeks now, so I'm not going to say much about this product because recently my skin has been breaking out and it's not normal for my skin to break out, and I'm not going to put the blame on this product. I need to first try different products and change products and rotate certain products, then I will get to know which product hasn't breaking me out or if it's something else. So I will give the review of this product once I'm sure about this product. The next product is this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Natural Beige. It was for 199 rupees and I got this from Nykaa. It comes with a mirror, so that's a good thing. Normally I don't use compact powder and it's my first compact powder. I am more of a loose powder girl. So I'm not going to say anything about this because मैंने इसे 1 या 2 बार ही यूज़ किया है. I still need to understand how to use it properly on me and as per my skin type. So I'll talk about this later in future. The last 2 products of this video are from a store which is called Mr. DIY, and आपने अगर अभी तक Mr. DIY नहीं सुना है तो it is basically like Miniso, but यहाँ पे ना आपको वो सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी वो random and maybe the things which you don't need in your life, जो आपने सिर्फ Instagram पे स्क्रॉल करते करते जिसका बहुत ही weird सा कोई यूज़ होगा आपने उसे देखा और ये चीज़ आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएगी and at a very reasonable price. So this place is like अगर you are a shopaholic ना then you should not enter this place because if you step there you need to purchase something and you will step out only then. Even if you are not a shopaholic, this place is very tempting and very affordable. And at that point ना जब आप स्टोर में होते हो और आपके सामने कुछ दिख रहा होता है, even if you have no use of that product, you will feel like यार वाओ यार ये मेरी लाइफ कितनी ईजी कर देगा. So I also got 2 things from there which I don't regret. Thankfully मैंने थोड़ी mindful shopping की इस बार. So let's see what those things are. So the first product from Mr. DIY is this clean sponge. It is supposed to remove your makeup and basically you just have to dip this sponge in water and then remove your makeup with it. But I personally don't prefer using with water. I like to use with makeup remover because ये water के साथ ना मेरे लिए थोड़ा harsh हो जाता है. By the way, I have already posted a shot of using this makeup sponge and I have also given a mini review of this makeup sponge, so you can check it out. This makeup sponge is definitely environment friendly and this will last you for at least 3 to 4 months even if you use makeup every single day, and you just have to wash it with your regular soap or hand wash after removing your makeup with it. एंड द गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस स्पंज इज दैट इट डजंट गेट स्टेन्ड विद द मेकअप. ये पूरा मेकअप भी इसके ऊपर से निकल जाता है. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस मेकअप बैग एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ मेकअप बैग फॉर सम रियली लॉन्ग टाइम बट अ गुड क्वालिटी वन. I got this for 250 rupees and for the price point of view I think this product is great. It has a separate space for your brushes and the good thing is it's detachable, so when you are traveling and you don't want all of your stuff in one place you can just remove the brushes and उसको बाजू में भी रख सकते हो. It comes with a lot of space and good storage area, so even when you are traveling for something which requires a lot of makeup, maybe wedding, so this will do the job for you and it will store a lot of makeup. As a handle, so इसे कैरी करना भी काफ़ी easy है. By the way, Mr. DIY स्टोर पे ना और भी डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स में भी थे, कंपार्टमेंट वाले, बिना कंपार्टमेंट वाले, बिना ब्रशेज़ वाले, ब्रशेज़ वाले टाइप के मेकअप बैग्स भी अवेलेबल थे, बट दिस इज़ व्हाट आई चोज़ फॉर माई सेल्फ. बाय द वे, अगर आपके आसपास मिस्टर DIY स्टोर नहीं है, ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स अमेजोन पे अवेलेबल हैं and I will provide the link in the description box. Well, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this video, give it a thumbs down and comment down below what you feel of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on my Instagram and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.